as you're taking it one step at a time, you know that it's energy, it's self-motivation, it's courage, it's hope, and it's faith. That's how I see those steps. Thursdays are my start to the weekend. It's the start to the planning that I had done on a Monday, and I know, okay, here we go. I get done for my corporate job. It's quite demanding. I'm the executive assistant to the CEO and CFO of a JSE listed company. And that's where I go from 8:30 to 5:30, sometimes 6 in the evenings. And then I have to come home and bake. I don't have the capacity to fit in a mountain on a Thursday, but I bake. Change my cape, and my next hat would then be my cape, which is my apron. And on this apron, it kind of gives me the courage to know why I'm doing this and why I'm going from one job to another. And it's got my grandmother's name on it, and it's got my baking business name on it as well. And I know that with that comes a labor of love. It's not just myself, it's the public of Cape Town. I done a charity where I said I will bake 1,000 cupcakes for 10,000 Rand, and Cape Town got involved. In the same year, I was in this giving back high. Madiba Day, the 18th of July, I promised to bake 67 cakes and hand over 10,000 Rand to a women's shelter. Making a difference, especially giving back. But again, other people are doing it. I'm there. I'm able to help someone else give a gift to pay it forward as a thank you of gratitude. It makes me so emotional to say that. As a woman in Cape Town, South Africa, you can't go hiking by yourself. I invited 2 friends along with me. And we're like, this is fantastic, As the years went by, I started this consistency with the group. I now schedule the weekly hikes with the group and overnight hikes as well. And I send the details out for the group as well. And people find me on Instagram or find the group on Facebook. With Trail Life SA, we definitely push you along. We encourage you. We'll walk with you. We don't leave anyone behind. And if we do feel that you're like maybe 5 steps behind, I always encourage people that you will summit either way. And just take one step at a time. When you do the things that you love doing, you'll find your peace in your life. And through whatever challenges you had gone through or whatever challenges you're going through. Life is short. Life comes and goes. You lose and you win, and get up and go. Just get over it, whatever it is, and move forward from it, or bring it with you and walk with it, because it's always going to be there if you're going to allow it to be there. So go and bake, go and run, go and hike, but get that summit. You'll thank me later.